Hi folks, this is a tutorial on using Microsoft Excel. The data that I'm going to work with is actually follow-up data from an experiment that I generated in SimUText as the follow-up to our Save the Simploids experiment last week. Now the first thing that you have to do when you get data from SimUtext or SimBio is to change the format of that file. Normally, data that comes from SimUtext is downloaded as a comma delimited file or a CSV file. And so to change it to a Microsoft Excel workbook, you simply go to File and then Save As, choose the folder you want to save it to, and then you'll notice it says CSV, comma delimited file. We want to change that to a Microsoft Excel workbook. And then hit Save. I've already got a file there, so I'll replace it, and voila, there's our data. This is the raw data that is downloaded from SimUtext, and in the next slide we're going to go ahead and sort that data and learn how to generate descriptive statistics from the data that we have.